प्यारे बच्चों, हम एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं। हमारा चैप्टर है लाइट। तो हमने 4 क्वेश्चन किए हैं इसके। आज हम जो इसका 5वां क्वेश्चन करेंगे। तो जिसका 5वां क्वेश्चन जो है वो है Describe an activity to show that the incident ray, the reflector ray and the normal at the point of incidence lies in the same plane। जैसा कि हमने कल इसके इंसिडेंट रे और रिफ्लेक्टर रे और नॉर्मल के हमने लाज पढ़े थे। तो आज हम इसका दूसरा हिस्सा पढ़ रहे हैं कि हमने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट के ज़रिए ये दिखाना है कि एक्सपेरिमेंट के ज़रिए दिखाने, कल हमने लाज पढ़े थे और आज एक्सपेरिमेंट करके दिखाना है कि दे आर लाइज इन द सेम प्लेन। तो एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए हम ऐसा करते हैं, एक वाइट शीट लेते हैं। तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं कि ड्राइंग बोर्ड पे फिक्स करते हैं। फिक्स करने के बाद हम कुछ मटेरियल हमारे पास है जिसको हम वहाँ यूज़ करेंगे, और वो यूज़ करने के साथ हम ये प्रूव करेंगे कि ये जो दे आर लाइज ऑन द सेम प्लेन। सो फिक्स ए वाइट शीट ऑफ स्टेप पेपर on a drawing board or a table. Take a comb and close all its opening except one in the middle. Hold the comb perpendicular to the sheet of the paper. Throw light from a torch through the opening of the comb from one side. With slight adjustment of the torch and the comb, we will see a ray of light along the paper. On the other side of the comb, keep the comb and the torch steadily. Place a strip of plain mirror in the path of the light ray. Let the sheet project a little behind the edge of the table. Cut projecting portion of the sheet in the middle. Look at the reflector ray. Make sure that the reflector ray extends to the projected portion of the paper. Bend that part of the projector portion on which the reflector ray falls. Bring the paper back to the original position. When the whole sheet of the paper is spread on the table, it represents one plane. The incident ray, the normal at the point of the incidence, and the reflector rays are all in this plane. When we bend the paper, you create a plane different from the plane in which the incident ray and the normal lies. Then we do not see the reflector ray. It indicates that the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the reflector ray all lies in the same plane. This is the diagram through which we can do this experiment. This was the experiment which we have done here. So the next question is fill in the blanks in the following. So there are some points which we have to fill in the blanks. This is the question number 6. The first part of the question number 6 is a person 1 meter in front of a plan mirror seems to be dash dash meter from his image. That means it seems 2 meters from his image. Next, if you touch your dash dash air with the right hand in the front of a plane mirror, it will be seen in the mirror that your right ear is touched with dash dash. So in this part, in the first blanks, there are left ear. There is left ear, and the last touched the left hand. So the next C part, the size of the pupil becomes dash dash when you see in dim light. If we see in the dim light, the pupil of the our eyes has become larger. Then there come a large. Number D, night bird have dash dash cones, then rod in their eyes. Here the less cones. Now question number 7. Choose the correct option. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Always under special condition. तो या फिर इसका या सम टाइम या नेवर, इनमें से एक हमने चुनना है। तो हम जानते हैं, हमने पढ़ा है लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, और फिर हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट भी किया है इसको बताने के लिए। तो हम ये अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि दे ऑलवेज लाइज एट द सेम प्लेन। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। इमेज फॉर्मड बाय ए प्लेन मिरर इज, तो जो प्लेन मिरर से इमेज बनता है वो क्या होता है? वो इनमें से होता है वर्चुअल बिहाइंड द मिरर of the same size as the object. That is the B part. So question number 9, describe the construction of a kaleidoscope. हाँ, there is a kaleidoscope. तो इसकी हमने क्या करनी है? कंस्ट्रक्शन बतानी है, ये कैसी इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या होती है। तो कैलिडोस्कोप जो है, कैलिडोस्कोप इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 रेक्टेंगुलर मिरर स्ट्रिप्स ज्वाइंट टुगेदर टू फॉर्म ए प्रिज्म. These are fixed in a circular cardboard like tube or tube of a thick chart paper. The tube is slightly longer than the mirror strips. One end of the tube remains closed by a cardboard disc having a hole in the center through which one can see. To make the disc durable, a piece of transparent plastic sheet is pasted under the cardboard disc. At the other end, touching the mirror, a circular plain glass plate is fixed. On this glass plate, several small pieces of colored glass is placed to form multiple images. So this is the construction of a kaleidoscope. These are the some diagrams which shows the construction of kaleidoscope. Now the question number 10 about our eyes, that is the human eyes. This question we shall do at the last. So question number 11. Gurmeet wanted to perform activity 16.8 using a laser torch. Her teacher advised her not to do so. Can you explain the basis of a teacher's advice? So the teacher advised the Gurmeet as intensity of the laser beam is very high, as it carries large amount of energy. It is harmful for eyes and can cause permanent damage. One should not look at laser beam directly or indirectly for a longer period. So these are some questions. Now at the last I have said you that the construction of our eyes, human eye, that we shall do tomorrow. That is enough for today. Thanks.